Congratulations, you've just purchased Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. We're here today to take you through the application process. We're going to show you just how simple it is to impart the ultimate gloss and shine to your car. So let's get started. All right, let's just talk about step one. Now, step one is just as simple as a car wash, but you want to do it thoroughly. And what we recommend is always park your car in the shade if you can. Keep it ambient temperature, and then you just want to use a specific car wash soap. Wash the car thoroughly, rinse it off. Make sure that before you begin the sealant process that all of the excess water has been dried out of the door jambs, from around lights and little places where it likes to hide. So pro tip, if you want to take your paint finish to the next level of slickness, use a clay bar to remove any surface contaminants that might be present in the paint. Okay, before you begin, you want to take about 10 seconds and you just want to gently shake the product to make sure the components are well mixed. We're going to the application now, and the way this works, we actually include 2 of these polishing towels in your kit along with a spray, and what we like to do is work one panel at a time on the car. Now what this does is it gives you a manageable surface area to work, and it also keeps you organized in the process. You know where you are at any given time in the process of the car. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to do a couple of light mists on your application towel, and then you want to apply a few more mists as well on the panel that you're going to be treating. And what I like to do is I like to begin at the end of the panel and make a straight pass, as close to straight as I can from one end to the other. And the reason we do this is that we follow this with what we call a crosshatch. I'm working in the opposite direction here, and what I'm ensuring is that I'm getting an even application of the product from one end of the panel to the other. Now the next thing you do is you switch to your second towel and you're going to buff this off to a high shine. It's just as simple as wiping it like I'm doing right now, and when you're done, what you're going to have is an incredibly slick, glossy panel that's only going to get better after about 2 hours of curing. One of the other user-friendly attributes of this product is that if you do get a little overspray on some adjoining surfaces like your windows or your door handles, all you have to do is buff it off just like you did the paint and you're good to go. Once you're completely finished with your application, make sure that the vehicle is kept away from all forms of moisture for about 2 hours while it cures. Okay, if you get to the end of your project and you walk around the car and you spot a hazy spot here or there, it's not a big deal. All you have to do is reapply the product and buff it off to an incredible shine and you're good to go. One of the unique attributes of this product is that you can layer it, meaning you can put additional coats on your car. Now you can do this at your choosing. You can do it after your first wash, after your initial application, or you can wait a month later. You just want to make sure that you apply it to a clean and dry surface. And what you'll find is with each additional coat, you're going to enhance that original effect. The gloss is going to become more intense, the reflectivity is going to be more intense, and the durability is going to be enhanced. Congratulations, you're done. You just imparted ultimate gloss and shine to your car using Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. Now get out there and enjoy your car.